one has to be grateful to Action Congress for producing a person like BRF, Babatunde Rajapaksa's son, who has been so exemplary in performing the functions of governor of Lagos State. In fact, in a nutshell, he has succeeded in bringing Lagos to what it should be, as a mega party that it should be in Africa. You see all the infrastructure now working. One would be amazed if somebody visited this place 10 years ago and then coming today to see the level of transformation of Lagos. He will even think that it's not yet in Lagos. Look at the roads. Look at the beautification of the roads. It's just the standard that is expected of a city like Lagos.